Hi, I'm Alex, and in this video I will show you how to navigate the dashboard in CaterCloud. When you are logged into the system, you will be met with the dashboard screen. Your dashboard has some quick links at the top, so you can quickly enter into the main areas of the system, such as your ingredients. Below your quick link buttons, you will see notifications if you have any. Notifications will tell you if you have some information missing from your ingredients, such as allergen information or prices. It will also tell you if a dish price is too low when compared with your target margin that you have set yourself in your account settings. You are able to click into the item with a notification to review and fix the issue if necessary. Fixing the issue will cause the notification to remove itself from your notifications list. You may also manually dismiss notifications. Finally, at the bottom of your dashboard, you are also able to view a list of recently modified items in your ingredients, recipes, dishes, and menus. Clicking an item in any of these lists will allow you to quickly navigate to that item. This will save you time if you want to navigate into anything that you have recently been working on, when compared to searching for the item in its corresponding area. And that's all for this video. Should you require any further assistance or have any queries at all, feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help.